Today's video is all about the history of the Igbo Apprenticeship, also known as the Igba Boi in Nigeria. Now, do you remember the first time you visited a market in the East? You know, like the very large ones in Abia and Anambra states, or the vibrant Igbo-dominated markets in Lagos? Well, maybe you went with your mom, aunt, or any family member to get some Christmas clothes or household stuff. You simply walk in, find out what you need, and bam! You're greeted not by the owners of these shops, but by these eager young apprentices. Like, who would ask, what are you looking for? We have exactly what you need right here. Come this way. We have exactly what you are looking for. They end up dragging you left, right, and center. This is Ebony People TV, bringing you history to your screens. Do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video because it's completely free. The Igbo Apprenticeship system, known as Igba Boi, gained attention during the Nigerian-Biafran War, with families having to rebuild from scratch after the conflict. Many had no choice but to send their kids, usually between the ages of 8 to 20, across the region to make a living as traders or to learn new skills. Studies reveal that this was how Igbo communities revitalized and expanded businesses in places like Onitsha, Nnewi, Aba, and beyond during that era. It all starts at home, where families spot the budding entrepreneurial skills in their children or realize they can't afford further schooling. Sometimes it's about a kid not sticking to the household rules, so the family goes on a quest to find a mentor for their child. Once they find the right match, a traditional handing over ceremony is conducted. Parents lay down the law, advising the young one who is now the mentee about the virtues and what's expected during the Igbo Apprenticeship, which is the Igba Boi. At this ceremony, they iron out all the nitty-gritty details of the apprenticeship agreement to make sure everyone's on the same page and there is no confusion whatsoever. Once the mentee settles in, they are given a place to stay and expected to pitch in with household chores as part of the training. They also get schooled in the mentor's preferred way of living. After that, it's off to the enterprise spot to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. All this usually goes down in the first 3 months, acting as a trial period to see if they are up for the challenge. They are checked for their eagerness to learn, resilience, and trustworthiness. If they don't score at least 2 out of 3, the Igbo apprenticeship system is terminated and they are sent packing. During this time, they get a crash course in all things business, from how to stand out in the market to mastering the art of negotiation. They also learn about spotting entrepreneurial opportunities, managing relationships with customers, and making transactions as smooth as silk. For the Igbo, entrepreneurship is deeply rooted in the idea of bargaining. It's like a way of life. Every interaction with a customer is seen as a chance to negotiate for the best deal possible. This mindset is passed down to the apprentice, who learns the art of bargaining from their mentor. The culmination of the program comes when the agreed upon scholarship period is completed. If the mentee has shown dedication and skill during this time, the mentor may offer them capital to start their own venture. Of course, this depends on both the mentee's performance and the mentor's financial situation. The big moment is often marked with a small ceremony attended by the mentee's family and friends, celebrating the start of their entrepreneurial journey. This stage wraps up the entire learning journey and kicks off the innovation phase. The goal of this settlement is to introduce potential entrepreneurs to the world of entrepreneurship. They set up a business with the guidance and support of their mentor, who holds onto the rewards for a while. By now, they should be well versed in the basics of driving innovation, equipped with the necessary skills, and connected to the market for potential partnerships. Entrepreneurs use this approach to break into the market, gradually expanding and diversifying their innovations in a competitive environment. Sometimes, mentors might set up a smaller innovation, like an extension or a branch of their own enterprise, for the mentee to manage under close supervision while they handle other aspects. This is crucial for enterprise growth and expansion, benefiting both parties. For mentees, it's a chance to learn valuable skills and reap rewards at the end of their contract. Meanwhile, mentors get to expand their enterprise using their mentees' efforts. The circle keeps turning as mentees eventually become mentors themselves and take on new mentees, ensuring the tradition continues. Today, various Igbo communities stand out in different business sectors, all thanks to the Igba Boi system. Take Akokwa in Imo State, for instance, known for its top-notch kitchenware and household gear. Then there is Nnewi in Anambra State, dominating the motor parts and transportation scene. Nsukka in Enugu State shines with its quality palm wine, while Oka in Anambra hammers out impressive blacksmithing work. Agolu's got bread making down to an art, and Nkano is renowned for its top-tier butcher shops. Abiriba specializes in second-hand goods, lovingly called Okrika. Onitsha, while Alo boasts beautiful textiles and wrappers. When done right, the Igbo apprenticeship system becomes a local strategy that builds strong businesses despite tough circumstances. It's like it's tailored to fit the socio-economic realities of the Igbo people and the nation at large if we can just tap into its potential. We explore these and other themes as we take you behind the scenes of thriving businesses in our latest documentary series. Check out our videos for more. Click the button to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you for tuning in and see you in our next video.